know you're the beginner. So let me tell you why I'm the winner. 3 words, baby, I'm on fire. 3 more words, I'm hot fire. Every single time you come around me, and anytime you try to touch me, I'm like the supernova. There's no control over. Hot fire, hot fire. I am hot like fire. I can get you higher than your old supplier.
Danger, hot fire. 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 Danger, hot fire.
I'm hot fire and I'm on fire. You can't put me out when I'm on fire. If you touch me, I will go crazy. I'm contagious and there's no safety. If you wanna run, there's no escape. You just have to wait and see what you're taking. And hope that you get there safely. You just don't know the risk you're making. Hot fire, hot fire. I am hot like fire. I can get you higher than your old supplier.
Danger, hot fire. 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 Danger, hot fire.
No matter what you're smoking, I'm higher. No matter if you fly, I'm flyer. Did I tell you that I'm on fire? If I didn't, then I'm on fire. When it screams danger, I'm on fire. Like somebody living with a lighter. It don't matter 'cause I'm on fire. It don't matter 'cause I'm on fire. Hot fire, hot fire. I am hot like fire. I can get you higher than your old supplier.
Danger, hot fire.